Waldorf, JuliaWaldorf.com. It's been raining here in Central Coast for the last 2 days, and it's still beautiful. It's still beautiful here. Even a rainy day is a good day in Central Coast, California. Yeah, you gotta love it. Gotta love it. It's a good God thing going on in Central Coast, California. Sunny day in Central Coast, California. Julia Waldorf, JuliaWaldorf.com. Ciao, ciao.